Today I am going to show you the ultimate customized Samsung keyboard, the one that looks amazing, type faster and feels premium. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, you have to go to Galaxy Store and search for Good Luck application. Install it gently. And then install Keys Cafe application. Now open Keys Cafe. Tap Continue. Tap Style your own keyboard. Toggle on this. Here you can see a lot of customized keyboard. Slide to effects. And there are too many keyboard color effects, key color effects and key motion effects is available here. Slide to sound. As you can see, there are too many sound effects is available here. The sounds of which will fascinate you. Now, testing time. And just like that, you have created the Samsung keyboard ultimate customized setup. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.